Ji, assalamu alaikum. Mashallah, today you came here with amazing preparation. Okay, these people, they are going to support that and they are going to tell about disadvantages of mobile phone. And these people are going to tell advantages of mobile phone. Let's see who is going to be winner today.
So I am in the favor of advantages mobile phone, and mobile phone is very useful in our daily life because with the help of mobile phone we can easily do many work like home jobs, and in emergency calls we can do many things with the help of mobile phone, and it's very necessary for all the human beings for our generations.
By the way, we know these are uses of the phone, but we must have to see to the disadvantages of the phone, as we know that in nowadays children are unable to think too much. They are losing ability to think, to understand the things. Also phone changing the chemistry of the mind, and lots of things. Mobile creating problem like parents don't spend time with their children. They do job and the rest of the time they spend with the phone. That's why kids are unable to speak properly in age of even 5 year. Also additionally, I mean, students also wasting too much time on the phone and not doing study.
Yeah.
What's your comment on this?
Yeah, you are saying right. Students of under 5 years age, it's not good for the students who is under 5 year. Mobile is not good for that. But the adult, it's very important. Without that, we can't do any work. What's your opinion? If a person use a mobile, so it's have a need to use it. Without need, it will never use it.
Actually, the works we do with smartphone, we can do these work with other devices like a keypad phone, and work we can do with the computer and laptop.
You can click a photo with the help of keypad mobile phone.
Actually, I said that we can do the work with other devices, not only one device. Actually, if we have to click a photo, by the way, we can survive without the photo, but we are taking in dangerous our next generation losing the ability to think or to understand the things. That's why we should remove to use of phone. I mean, if it is possible, I think we should ban the smartphone.
No, it's not possible to ban a smartphone because it's very necessary nowadays. I'm saying before that.
Actually, WHO recommends the time to watch on a screen for the children's only 1 hours in a day in the for the age of 5 year children. But according to AIMS Raipur survey in India, children's using phone for 2.1 hour. I mean, more than double time.
You are saying the screen time is more than the under 5 age. Yeah, it's not good for kids, but it's good for a adult like me. I'm not adult, but after teen. I am in age of 15. I am an adult in myself. I don't believe adult. Mobile is very important. You are saying we can use another device if we have every facility in one thing. So why we cannot use that? Why we go another where?
Because we are not only using for our needs, we are using for other works too. I mean, we are using it for our entertainment. And by the way, it don't entertainment us. However, it is like a drug. I mean, when we are in stress, we use phone.
Entertainment make us a body feel happy, not like a drug. If we in any tension, so we can take entertainment with the help of mobile phone.
I told you already that it is not like entertainment according science. It is working like an drugs. in nowadays, because we are using it too much.
We are thinking about the disadvantages, but you should also think about the advantages of mobile phone. Like connectivity, we all connect. Mobile phone connect us to the whole world anytime, anywhere. And education, a student can learn anything online and access book and attend virtual classes. And emergency use in accident or health problem, phone can make for you immediately help. And smartphone have smart tools like calculator, GPS, and a camera and online banking all in one device. What's your opinion for this?
By the way, you said right that we can study easily with the help of phone, but or many uses you told me as, but my point here that many students, I mean majority who study online, they are not doing as well as offline. They can study.
We are not talking about the whole. We are talking about to you, and I want to know your. We want to know your opinion. Mobile phone is advantage for you or disadvantage for you? Because you also study online.
Actually, because of lots of study online, I also have left to study online.
Left to study online?
Yeah, I have left.
I have left. But you was study online.
Yeah,
You
I
were
studied.
studying.
I studied for some.
It's helpful for you or not?
It was helpful, but nowadays I'm unable to think too much, and I'm needing I was disconnected with the people for the time. How much time I studied at online.
Did you study all the day at online? Because you didn't connect with people.
Yeah, I studied whole day. By the way, who student study online?
Brother, you are just making excuses. You are not taking realities.
Because of using mobile phones, children are learning bad manners and bad habits.
So parents take care of their child. It's not a mistake of our children, it's a mistake of our parents. Why they are giving the mobile phones to their child? If he is in upcoming age, so you can give a mobile to him. If you trust your child, he will not do bad thing with the mobile, so we can give him easily.
Because of using mobile phones, now young children are eyes damaged.
No bro, there are one lens which name is nanopeptical lens. It's protect our eye from the brightness which coming from the screen.
Mobile phone, if misused, call destroy someone lives, as catches or blackmailing through fake videos, fake messages, calls, edited photos, video, only because of phone. What do you want to say about this?
Bro, you are saying that fraud calls are coming on our phone, so we have a application in our phone like Truecaller and many websites on Chrome browser. We can search a number and take out a detail of that number easily with the help of website and applications.
But he is very clever.
What?
They is very clever.
It's dangerous.
Yes.
Dangerous for those people who don't know to use a mobile phone perfectly, and who knows a mobile phone used perfectly. No, nothing is dangerous for them, because they play a whole day with the dangerous thing.
With a mobile phone, we can message and call anyone, anytime, no matter how far they live. We can use internet. And what about this?
Actually, there are lots of devices to do the same. We don't have need to the smartphone for these work.
A smartphone need every people.
But we can use other things. I mean, other devices.
Which device?
Like I already told you, keypad mobile.
If you want to make a video call, so how can you